Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Super Simple Python. I'm your host, Yujin Tang, and on this episode, we're going to be covering how to do a prime factorization of a number. So let's just get started. So prime factorization is basically a way in which we can get all of the prime factors of a number. So prime factor in num, so it'll be an int again. So let's get started. So let's handle the edge case first. If num equals 1, we're going to return 1. From here, basically what we're going to do is we're going to set n equals 2. And then we're going to check for divisibility of the number. So while n squared is less than num. So one of the things that's kind of cool about this is, the way that numbers are factorized is that a number can't have any prime factors that are greater than its square root, because a square root basically, if there's a number that's greater than the square root, then it'll be multiplied by a number that's less than the square root in order to get to that number, right? So this is one of those tricks that we can apply just so we can go through less numbers, right? So if num is so the modulo, this is the modulo sign, what is this called? The percentage sign is a modulo sign. So if the num sign is equal to 0, then we'll just do, so let's create a list of factors. Sorry, factors equals, we'll do factors dot append, not 2, sorry, n, and then we'll do num equals slash equals n. So the slash sign is a we'll do equals here just in case it's a square. So the slash sign is an integer divide. So it divides and makes sure that's an integer. So else we'll just increment n by 1, n plus equals 1, and then we'll just that should pretty much be it actually. At this point, the only thing we need to do is check if if the num is greater than 1, and if it is, then we'll do factors dot append num. And then we'll return our factors, and that should pretty much be it. And we'll just test this out. Let's test this out on some numbers that we can know the prime factorization of. So print prime factor. So let's say 24, and then we'll do some fun numbers here. Yeah, we'll do 5 of these just like we did with the square. 2020. 625. 7, so it's 1048. I don't know what the prime factor of that is. And then let's do 6. It's simple. So 24 should give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, and 6 should give us 2 times 3. 2020, I don't know off the top of my head. 625 should give us 5555. So let's see what this says. Oh, I did check square. Whoops. Python prime factor. 2223, right? That's right. 2 times 2 times 5 times 101. That seems to make sense. Let's see. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 101 is 2020. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. 701048. That looks about right. I can't do that in my head. So, 2 times 3 is 6. So everything else is right. So I'm going to assume that's right as well. So that's pretty much all you need to do a prime factorization. And yeah, that's all there is for this episode. And thanks for watching. If you like this or if this helped you, please like and subscribe and tell your friends. All right. Peace out. See you next time.